What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today is the day we put the transmission back into cassette. So let's get this car out of the way, move this over, get everything prepped, and wait for Marty, Christina, Justin, Jorge on their way. Let's see who else shows up to help. I'll take any help I can get. So let's get this out of the way, move this over, get everything set up. Let's give you a cold start. Alright, so I unwrapped the transmission, car's here. I'm gonna lift it when everybody gets here. But right now what I'm gonna do is I took this off of right here, 19mm 3/4. When you take that out, this is underneath. The dipstick is underneath, you just pull it out. And then we're gonna put 9 quarts in there if we can. We're gonna angle it. I'm gonna put it at an angle there and see if I can get 9 quarts in, and if not, I'll get as much as I can. I'm gonna throw the rest in the converter, and once we get everything in, we'll get it started. 9 is enough to get it kind of moving safely around, to get the get the fluid all over the place. Once it's up to temperature, we'll raise the car back again, make sure it's leveled, and while it's running, so it creates that vacuum, I'll check the level. And then here's the A and B readings. It's supposed to be in the B when it's up to temperature. If it's too much, it'll come out. And right there it says, I don't know if it'll focus, but it says use only American LV, which is what we got. So let's get on this and see how it goes. Alright, so I got the 8.5 in that. I'm gonna put the other half in the converter, and then we're gonna put the converter in. Marty's here.
Yeah! We're gonna get this bitch in!
Once we get it on, I'm happy about that. The rest can be done slowly. So, got it cleaned up. Time to put it up in here.
Full strap. There, that was a click, right? Keep fitting.
I kind of moved it in my hand.
It keep falling in?
Now it's done. It's in.
Yeah.
We think.
I can't see the bar. I don't know if I'm lined up.
Hair.
That's the fucking hair.
The whole car falls on that side.
There, that's it, that's it. Fuck you. God damn, that's a big. What the fuck do you think of that? Jesus Christ, that thick girl fucking did this shit right?
You want me to come down?
I was like this.
Okay, I never even dropped it.
Christine, Marty, we gotta lift up and push the transmission down.
Yeah, it's not straight now.
Right there. Yep, that's good. Hold on. Let me turn around.
Another question, if we were to squeeze that trans jack in between these two jacks. So now we're gonna have to use the jack.
What jack? Oh, well, there's one right there.
Mother. Ah!
better man up.
Oh, fuck this crap. I'll take my time with this.
Babe, don't push it forward anymore.
No wonder
on the
fucking Vince was struggling last time. He had that short ass one and he was like from the front.
Here. You wanna try back here?
No, no, no.
Seems to be working.
Push Marty.
Oh, there it is. They fall.
It did.
One side.
Hit.
The other side.
It's almost in there.
Let me see this side.
Yeah. Got a lot of room here.
This side's in.
As a cross member.
Um,
If there is a little thing right here.
you got leverage?
Let me see. Hold
See
on.
if you got leverage. Just tell us when you're gonna go at it.
Yeah, hold on. Let's see if I can get it anywhere. Shit. No, that's not part of the transmission. Where do you stick yours at?
And
That is a loaded question.
and oh,
It fall? I think it fell.
I think
yeah,
I did it.
He used his hands. Is
You got it?
Yeah.
Is it in?
Just about, I think. It's just a little off, right? There's that much in between it.
Ow.
Shit.
How you hit me?
I can't feel that leg.
I need to find a better way.
I can get from under. It's just Marty said from here you can get it.
Yeah, you can get it. It's just it's loose enough that it doesn't actually like spin backwards. Like this doesn't click.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
Lucky, lucky.
yeah.
It's not falling off yet. Right. There you go.
I knew I had to do this somehow.
There had to be some kind of angle to it.
That's probably a pretty good idea, Javi.
All right, Javi. Javi. All right, turn it, because I'm not going to torque them down all the way.
Okay.
But like that, I don't want to pull more on one end. Did you go Loctite? Yes, it's got Loctite. We'll go.
You're skipping one, right?
Yeah, it's moving. Go ahead. Keep going. Keep going. I'm skipping one. Yeah. Guys, stop. I think I can reach right there. I can live like this.
That is pretty gross.
You'll be okay all this off.
That's all life. This was 2 bolts, right? Yeah.
Yeah, 2 bolts.
So all these 3 are the same.
Why is this back? This one? The other one's going fine. What's holding me here? I'm using the slowest tool possible, so this is how it's gonna go.
Is it down or up?
It just however it falls. I'm starting to have a love-hate relationship with your car.
Just now.
They're out there 1, 2 more.
That's like they're going. But it's just, we don't know.
Alright. That should be it.
Yep. Javi, your turn to verify. Your turn to verify our job.
Your car.
Yep. It's your car going very fast.
You gotta get down here and double check.
Yeah.
It's your car. It's your car, you're gonna be behind the wheel, so
Yes.
your responsibility. Make sure we're doing our job.
Right? Like right. Still on?
Yeah.
Let me double check. Check it. Goes the alternator all the way around, comes around, goes that way. Nope. Oh, this is, wait, stuck in the lid. Hold on. All right, so we got everything in: transmission, converter, exhaust, drive shaft, belt, MAF, and we're loading the tune. Tune is loading.
We got holy water.
Once that's complete, fuel pump's not connected, we'll cycle the engine a couple times and then we'll connect the fuel pump and send it.
Merry Christmas! Look at all that. Oh boy, I'm nervous.
You're nervous.
Alright, so we got an ABS light. We're trying to do a crank rerun on the car and for some reason it won't accept it. He's over there trying to mess with the ABS. Plug it in, plug it back in, see if for some reason it'll go away. We didn't mess with anything in there, so I don't know why we have this code. But we'll get it figured out. That's what we do.
All right, so we are all done. Everybody left, cleaned everything out. Transmission's in, still has the 9 quarts, plus a little bit more that it had on the converter already. We drove it, feels good. I have to raise the car again on the level, get it to temperature, check the level again and all that good stuff, but I'll do that tomorrow. I have an ABS code. I'll go through that and clear that too. But yeah, we have both cars back and running. I don't know what was all filmed today. I know there was cameras everywhere. We had cameras here and there and having some fun. I was just paying attention more to what we're doing than anything else. So I hope whatever we put together you guys enjoy. And don't remember, we still got the giveaway going on. We're past 1,500 subscribers. Once we get to 2,000, that giveaway is going out. And make sure you guys stay tuned. And if you don't know what to do for the giveaway, I'm gonna put the link in the description. And hopefully one of you guys is the lucky winner. Yeah, I hope you enjoy everything. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, comment, whatever you think about it. Peace.